In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tax on Freshbooks. This is a straightforward process, but it's crucial to get it right to ensure your invoices are accurate and complete. So, let's dive in and walk through each step together. To get started, first navigate to the Invoices tab on Freshbooks. Once you're there, you'll see the option to either create a new invoice or perhaps a button that says New Invoice. Go ahead and click on that. This is your starting point for creating a detailed invoice for your clients, and it's pretty intuitive to navigate. Next, it's time to fill in the client details. Make sure you enter all the necessary information about the client you're invoicing. It's important to be precise here, as you want your records to align with that of your clients. After filling in those details, the next step is to add line items. Line items are essentially the list of products or services you're billing for. Be sure to describe these items clearly and accurately so your client knows exactly what they're being charged for. Now, within each line item detail, you should notice an option to add taxes. This might be a drop-down menu or a checkbox labeled Tax Type. This step is crucial because it's where you start incorporating tax into your invoice. Click on this option and you'll be able to select from tax rates that you've already set up in Freshbooks. This is convenient and ensures consistency across your invoices. If your relevant tax rate is already in the system, simply select it from the drop-down menu or check the box next to it. But what if you need to add a new tax that's not already set up? Sometimes tax rules change, or you have a special tax situation that needs to be addressed. In these cases, you can add a new tax on the fly. Freshbooks allows you to do this right from the invoice creation screen. Look for the option labeled Add Another Tax. When you click on it, you'll be prompted to enter the new tax details. This flexibility keeps your invoicing process smooth and adaptable to any changes. Once you've confirmed all the details are correct, it's time to apply these taxes to your invoice. This can typically be done by selecting Apply Taxes or simply clicking Save. By doing this, you ensure that the tax is accurately calculated and included in the total amount of the invoice. It's a simple step, but it's what ties everything together and gives you a complete and professional document. And there you have it. You've now successfully added tax to your Freshbooks invoice. Follow these steps each time to ensure your invoicing is accurate and tax compliant. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.